Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you enjoy watching and want more, go ahead and subscribe. I keep things simple, helpful, and easy to understand. Let's jump in.
You might notice more ads in your Yahoo Mail inbox lately because the company has increased its focus on advertising revenue for free users. These ads often look like regular emails at the top of your list, which makes them annoying. One main reason for the sudden surge is that Yahoo updated its terms of service to allow more targeted marketing based on your browsing habits. If you are using the free version of the service, ads are the price you pay for not having a monthly subscription. To stop seeing these ads, you have several options you can try right now. First, you can upgrade to Yahoo Mail Plus, which is a paid service that removes all advertisements and offers extra features. Second, you should install a reputable ad blocker extension on your web browser like uBlock Origin or AdBlock Plus. These tools can often hide the banners and the fake email ads that clutter your screen. Third, check your privacy settings in your Yahoo account and opt out of personalized ad tracking to limit what data they collect about you. Fourth, clear your browser cookies and cache regularly to reset the tracking tokens that advertisers use to follow you online. Finally, consider using a different email client like Outlook or Apple Mail to access your Yahoo account. These apps often filter out the ads that show up in the browser version. By following these steps, you can reclaim your inbox and enjoy a cleaner experience without constant interruptions. Yahoo will continue to push ads to free users, so taking these steps is simply the only way.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.